Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tony from HomeHeadChef, and today we're going to make an epic breakfast sandwich. Now this breakfast sandwich is going to be fried chicken, country gravy, white cheddar cheese, and eggs all inside of a biscuit. Now you can use homemade biscuits, which I have a recipe, the link will be below. You can use canned biscuits, make the egg of your choice. I'm gonna go with scrambled today, but we're gonna work at this together. This is the first time with this recipe, so let's get cooking. I have here one chicken breast, butterflied in half, and then cut in half again. Pounded a little bit thin so it doesn't take long for it to fry. We're going to soak this in buttermilk for about 15 minutes. And while that's marinating, we are going to get the dredge, the flour and everything ready to go. So just set this into your fridge, 15 minutes, half an hour, your choice, the longer the better. Here we have 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, some salt, pepper. We're gonna mix this up and set this aside for when we're ready to fry the chicken. Our oil is preheated to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna go chicken into the flour, straight into the oil. You're gonna wanna fry these up, let's say about 3.5 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature hits 165. In 3 minutes, now we're gonna give these a flip and go for about 3 more minutes. Those are looking real nice. Alright, we got our little bit of oil. We're gonna go in with some flour. Make sure we're stirring this good. Getting all those delicious little bits that were burnt onto the bottom off. We're gonna make our roux. Let me get all the flour coated in oil. I'm gonna cook this for about, I want to say about a minute, just to get that raw flour taste cooked out. Because that will make for an unpleasant gravy if you still have that raw flour taste in it. Now in with our whole milk. Let's add a little bit at a time. Oh, too thick, a little bit more. Keep adding milk and cooking till you have the right consistency of country gravy. Let's check the thickness. Perfect. Let's give it a taste. Yep, definitely needs seasoning. So let's season with some salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper. Let's go in with a little bit of onion powder. Alright, we're just gonna do a classic scrambled egg here. Got our butter nice and melted. In with our 1 egg. Now you can do as many eggs as you would like. I'm doing 1 because this is gonna be a big sandwich. And cook this up. Take about 2 minutes. Then we'll go back to the cutting board. We're gonna assemble this thing and get a bite out of it. I'll see you there. All right, let's assemble this crazy thing. Got our nice warm biscuits. Gonna go down with a piece of the chicken. Let's go our white cheddar cheese. go a little bit of our country gravy. And our egg. Look at this thing. This thing is epic. Look at that. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to eat all this. Alright, let's pan out and get a taste of it. There you have it. The epic breakfast sandwich. See if I can actually fit my mouth around this thing. Oh man. That's really good. Sorry. That's really good, but I would not recommend eating this every morning for breakfast because you probably won't surpass a year after eating these for every day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.